Good morning. Well, today's my day, finally. I got to rush because we got about 15 minutes or so. Today we're getting rims for the tow pig for the Ram. Discount Tire or American Tire is actually coming to the shop to install today. So we're still working. We got this Mercedes in here that's a pain in the butt, and the Bronco in the back for my uncle, and then this Toyota as well. But we're gonna do some stuff outside today, and I'll take you along. But basically we're gonna get some wheels and tires put on because I do a lot of miles every day. I travel every day, so thankfully they have this program where you can basically get tires installed on site if you have a commercial account. I think if you have like a regular account, you can do the same thing, but this is going to be beneficial for me, so we'll walk you through that later. I'm actually going to go and probably take you along in the truck to go and pick the wheels up because I got to be back here in 30 minutes. So let's get after it. This guy right there, what a build that was. That was 3 months of agony. I'll have to do a walk around on that guy because we ended up doing a whole bunch of stuff to the front end, and nobody makes parts for an Astro van anymore. And yes, that's an actual all-wheel drive Astro van on 33s. So it doesn't work, but it works. I guess it's not sketchy if it works, right? So we got young Meacham in the back, little man Efren on the recorder today. So we got about 40 minutes. So hopefully traffic isn't crazy. Finally, I get to put something on my shit. I'm always working on your stuff. Best burgers in town right there, baby. Best burgers in town. Yeah, I got you. We made it. Look at that. Look at that beauty. It's gonna be great. What's up, y'all? Sheesh. Look at this thing. Little mobile fleet service shit. Look at that, it's recording us. Dude. We need one of these. No way. We need one of these. How you doing, bud? Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh no, they're making me look small. Shout out to the mobile guys that are doing this. Man, you guys are making me look small. You got all the stuff. You're gonna put these new Johnnies on.
Oh, right there.
What's that?
I was asking where his tires were at.
Right here.
I like it. Got these slots, man, instead of the soft beats. Really cool.
I like it. I like it a lot.
This like whole situation is I want to make a build that's more like representative of the common class.
Yeah.
And you don't need 37s.
Yeah.
You know, I do 125 miles a day on this thing.
Yeah.
And I do live in the mountain. I live in the foothills, but
So it's a necessity.
yeah, but I wanted to at least get some good tire wear and like mile an hour.
Well, you got a good brand going on there. They handle really well, especially year round. Snow,
Yeah.
Off road. So
Yeah.
Good to get.
Where I'm at right now too, it's about to snow in about a month.
Oh,
So
yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, you
You'll
know,
need
I think I'm gonna put a new set on.
It's a 4-wheel drive too, so you'll pull right out. You don't even. You know,
Yeah. I've been in this stuff, but it's funny because most of the guys put like the really expensive stuff on it and they go to the mall. I'm like, I'm just gonna put a good set of wheels and tires on it and see what happens.
Whatever was touching off.
Oh yeah, and we drove it all the way to Colorado. Now they took us to the This is the cleanest those wheels are ever gonna look. God, Rough Country freaking sent this too. Now I gotta figure out where to put my other tire, so I can finally have a bed back.
Is there a bathroom I can use?
Yeah, straight through left side.
Right
this
side.
left door, I should say. Straight through the first door on your right. Freaking. I only got a tire on here, so I can do tire up front. That guy. I'm thinking I'm either gonna go that way against the bed or straight.
I do straight.
Straight. What I'm thinking, right there, so I can still get to my box. Right there.
Oh, it goes like that? That's sick.
And then you put the strap over it so it don't fall off on the freeway.
I thought it was like,
Out a way to balance. Now, should we do that? Or
you'd have more visibility the other way.
you have a point.
Goddamn right. Yeah, it looks great. It looks better than the other way. So if you put it the other way, it'll give you drag. Yeah. Cut a fucking hole out of this deck system.
Then I won't be able to use my drawer on one side.
What if you cut it? Can you cut the drawer? Shorten the drawer up?
Probably.
You can do some engineering.
We're gonna have to
Right there, good.
get, cause then you can still bolt into this. It's still always flat in the back. And then I'm gonna put like D-rings right here. Just strap it that way too, so that way it doesn't move side to side. But I don't know. I don't know if I love it yet or not. I just know that I want it to not be laying flat on the bed anymore. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it doesn't really block a lot. Huh. Let me see. You can't really see it that crazy. We'll see. Final thoughts, not sure yet. But what I do like though is these. Look at that fucking thing. We haven't stopped and looked yet, boys.